So what we see, where the role that Aero can fill with respect to the machine-to-machine marketplace is by offering, our customers full end-to-end solutions to help them drive successful developments within the machine-to-machine community. A lot of things that our current customers view us as a trusted advisor, again, to help them kind of walk through all the steps that are required to successfully deploy machine-to-machine applications into space. That's clearly one of the differentiating factors from Aero. So one of the things that is very, very necessary within the machine-to-machine space is the collapsing of the overall value chain, making it simpler for our customers to go ahead and really find tried and true solutions without having to develop a lot of the applications for themselves. An example of this would be the Fish River Island platform with some of our partners we're currently working with Intel and Contron. ILS technology makes it very, very easy for customers to get their devices connected through the data aggregation gateway and being able to visualize the data up on the cloud. Another area that there's a lot of work that we're doing is in our digital signage or digital signage platforms that we're doing in Aero. Fundamentally, what we're doing in those is allowing it very, very easy for customers to do digital signage applications, kiosk applications where Aero has put together all the elements, including the glass, the computers, the connectivity, the data plans, where customers merely need to go ahead and plug their digital signages in or kiosks in, connect their network connection, and they're able to display their content and their data. Bringing these type of systems to the marketplace is what we believe will certainly help drive adoption in the industry. So when we take a look at the industry and where we look to see where there's a lot of growth and advancement in the space, with the technologies, one of the things that we look at is from an environmental perspective, environmental monitoring. And by that, environmental monitoring, I mean that covers a lot of different elements from smart energy, wastewater management, SCADA systems, how we release products into the air, that sort of stuff. We view that as a very, very important space. A lot of the resources are limited in what we have, and we need to be able to use those wisely. Obviously, other areas too, with respect to this is, home patient monitoring, telemedicine applications. Obviously, there's a lot of growth there. Enriching people's lives as we get older, be able to be more independent. I mean, these are some very, very strong areas, for the development. I mean, wireless sensing technology is another space. I mean, as we look at what really drives and what really fuels a lot of the machine-to-machine developments is sensing elements on the very front. Having IP-based sensor systems is clearly an area. They're going to be running on batteries, extended periods of time, on IP-based networks. There's some challenges and some opportunities there for a lot of us in those spaces.